Hello, starting a little early today because I'm going to do things, well, not differently, but kind of differently. Oh, jeez. That explains it well, doesn't it? Well, I just made my first soap in a month before this one, and I was just like too excited and wasn't thinking straight, so this time I'm being a little more organised. So I'm adding all my abrasives to begin with. Abrasive, that sounds terrible, doesn't it? I suppose it's better than scratchy shit, so, you know. Oh, that'll be the microwave. Or a truck backing up in my kitchen. Which would be kind of weird, but, yeah. Interesting, I suppose. Depends on what would be on the truck. You know, if it was like a postie truck or something, that'd be awesome, because, you know, I've always wanted to, like, run one of them off the road and then, like, just go through it. That's terrible. I shouldn't be telling you that. I really shouldn't be telling you that. Oh, I know what that was. I was like, well, there's a cat up on the bench. And I was like, no, the socks is so weird. I put water in where I put their food. Won't drink it. But if I put a little bowl of water up on the sink, he'll drink that. I'm not entirely sure what brain damage he has, but I'm pretty sure it's severe. He's an odd duck. Alright, so what I'm doing is I'm going to put this colour in now, because I want, because I can just put the blue in on top and it won't matter. So this is sea mist. And we're just going to, oh, we have dessert, people. Dessert, people. Is that like what cannibals eat for dessert? Like dessert people? Oh, jeez. Yeah, I know. Shoot me now. That was a terrible joke. That was like super dad joke, that one. I'm sorry. Alrighty. Actually, probably could have even put the, I was going to say perfume for some reason. What the hell is my brain doing today? It's certainly not working correctly. I probably could put the FO in now, but I'm not going to, because, once again, a fragrance that I use constantly, I've forgotten what it does. Which would be dupe. Alright, so, what's next? What do we do next, people? Oh, I know. I don't know the answer to this question. Oh, you guys are probably sitting there going, what drugs is she on? See, this is why I'm not on drugs, so I don't actually need them. This is just me normally. That's sad, isn't it? Look, I'm trying. I get a little... See, this is a thing. When you're bipolar, I don't know if it's other bipolar people, it's just me. When I'm depressed and I push myself to do things, I will get a little, like, manic. And then I'll be over the top in what I'm doing. Like, I don't mean to be, but it's just... I think my brain sort of tries to overcompensate for everything, so I don't know. You know, living with this stupid friggin', I was gonna say disease, but it's not really a disease. Mental health issue, I suppose, is the PC thing to call it. You know, even after all these years, I still sort of wonder about myself. Now, I've mixed this a fair bit because I want to make sure that everything's all incorporated. Oh, listen to me. Oh, I took a Nurofen, I still sound like crap. It's all good. Right in with the fragrance oil, not perfume. Oh, that's very nice. That's very masculine. Which is very sexist, but whatever. I don't know, see that's the thing, like, I want everyone to be who they are, but I was also brought up in a time where boys wore blue and girls wore pink, and it's hard to, like, I don't think that's the way it should be, but it's hard to break out of that stuff, that box that you were sort of indoctrinated with, you know, like, I don't like it. I think it's terrible, and I wish more people could just be who they are and not have to, you know, live in society's little boxes. And I think it's getting better, but yeah, sometimes it's really hard to sort of, like, you know, I still look at blue and see boy and look at pink and see girl. Even though when I had my kids, I didn't find out the sex of the first two. And then when I found out that Kurt was a boy, I still didn't go out and buy a whole bunch of blue stuff. I still got, like, greens and yellows, and I probably didn't get pinks though, honestly. If I'm going to be completely honest, I don't think I went and bought anything pink. I did let them play with dolls, however, and if they played dress-ups, they used my clothes. So you know, I have photos of both. I don't know about Jared, but the two younger ones, I've got photos of at least Travis in dress. So, you know, you better start talking to me, or I might have to show the world that. That's my threat to my child. Talk to me, or I'll show everyone you in a dress. No, I don't really care if he talks to me or not. That's his truth. So we're gonna let him live it, because that's what you do. You gotta let people live their truth. And apparently I'm too much for him, so, you know, can't put up with my shit. I can't put up with my shit, so, you know, it's kind of understandable that no one else would want to put up with it. Alright, I don't have a mould out. Look, magic. Now I have a mould out. I'm going to pour some of this off for a smell mill. Oh, if I could just... This is so stupidly fluid. It's amazing. So I'm thinking dupe loosens it up a smidge. There we go. That's pretty masculine, isn't it? See? Sexist, I'm telling you. Actually, the smell of this just reminds me of greens and blues. That's which why I always tend to do this dirty min soap. Excuse me. In greens and blues. So, I don't know whether it's a sexist thing or if it's just... That's what the smell reminds me of, is those colours. So, I don't know. It's a bit weird. Alrighty. That should get down a long way down into that soap. It's just starting to thicken up now. Look at that. You can hear the volcano sand in the bottom. Volcano sand. Oh, it cracked me up. And you know, that's pretty much all I need out of life, is a good laugh. And usually it's at myself, so... Oh, don't throw that in there, that's got stuff in it. Alright. So Boogly's helping. Let me see if I can move the camera without wrecking too much stuff. There's Boogly helping. Say hello, Boogly! Boogly! There he is. There you go. There's my little mascot cat. Is he helping, baby? Yes. Helping by getting in my way. If I wanted to rush off somewhere, I would trip over him, guaranteed. And that's where he always sits, because he's trying to kill me, people. You have to help me. He's trying to kill me. Actually, speaking of people trying to kill people, I watched, what did I watch last night? Prodigy? Is that what it's called? The Prodigy. But a kid. Good movie. Enjoyed it. I got to say, I didn't like Brightburn. I thought it was stupid and predictable and dumb and didn't like it at all. What else did I watch recently? I watched, what's the one about Paige the wrestler? Family that fights together or something. That was friggin' awesome because I remember her debut, debut. I don't know how you say it. Debut sounds right. Let's go with that. That's probably it. And I'm probably just going to fast forward all this, so I'm not entirely sure I talk through it all. I forget that I tend to fast forward this bit. Wait. Alright, so boring top on this one. Let's do a boring top on this one. What are we going to do? Oh, I do believe in infinity or backwards and forwards. Let's go backwards and forwards and see what happens. Oh yeah. Very nice. Very nice. We'll go around it a couple of times too and pull it. So do that and see how it pulls the sides. It makes them sort of one go that way and one go that way, and it gives you just like that little extra little bit of zhuzhin. She's extra zhuzhed now, because that's probably a better use of the term zhuzh, is we just made it extra pretty instead of stick blending it, because that really doesn't work. I just love the word. I've loved the word since I first heard Carson say it. I love the word. Alright, that is it for Dirty Man. I will now have nothing to wipe that on. Yes, I do. I have an apron on. Woohoo! Alright, I will see you. We're not going to do a close-up of this one. So I will see you for the cut. Alright, bye! Bye! Oh god, I need to stop watching drag queens. Hey all. Back to cut this one. As you can see, it's daytime now. Well, I suppose it was daytime. It was daytime when I made it. Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, this one's been sitting for a while. Yeah, okay. Alrighty. It's a bit sticky. Okay. Not bad. Nice drop. It has not morphed back at all. It's green, so whatever. There's not much I can do about that. Oh no, it wasn't this one, was it? It was the other one. Never mind. I don't know if it's morphed back or not. I don't know what colour I made this. I'll put up something down there when I'm editing, because I've watched the video again and know what I've done. I don't know, I made it yesterday. It was too long ago to remember. I have many other things on my mind. I'm about to pour some resin while we've got some nice non-rainy weather. It's driving me a bit crazy because I haven't been able to do anything, and I've got a handmade market on Saturday, and it's Tuesday already. So, and I've got a pop-up for the next 3 days, so there'd be nothing going on in this house at all, except for the cats playing silly buggers probably. Who knows? I don't know what they do when I'm not here. Oh, Socks! Apparently Socks is dying or something. I'm not sure. He's having a whinge, that's for sure. Well, that was a bit exciting. Oh, look, I've wrecked it already. Alrighty, that's that one. Done and dusted. We will see you for the next one. Bye.